Good afternoon everybody and welcome to episode 9 of the mini build. This week is a little bit mismatched, let's say. So as you've seen, I've put the cross brace in and I now want to fix the wheel arch and the doorstep. But I can't do the doorstep without doing the wheel arch, I don't think, because there's not enough metal on the new doorstep up onto the A-pillar to attach it to. So I need to make a longer A-pillar, fix the wheel arch, and then I can tack the doorstep in. But there's been good news. I've found a pair of doors which are like 3 hours away from me, so I'm going to go drive and get them on Sunday. So because of that, I don't want to do anything with the doorstep / A-pillar until I get the doors to see if they're correct doors, because I don't want to mess with the shape of the door frame before I fit a door in it. Because if you don't know, I don't actually know the year of this vehicle. The guy I bought it from said it was a 69, but the 69s I think have external door hinges and these are internal door hinges, so I'm going to test these doors, which are Mark III doors, and hopefully they fit, and if they do, I know it's a Mark III Mini. And then, if the doors fit, then I can start the fixing. So for now, today, I'm just going to clean up this area. I'll show you. So here's what I was talking about. The new doorstep comes to about where this one has eroded. So obviously you can see there's no metal to attach it to, so I need to make this A-pillar longer. I'll probably just make a custom one because there's good metal here, so make it a bit longer. And this the shell is like almost delaminated from the flitch panel, so I'm going to clean up, see what type of metal there is. So I'm going to clean up this and in here, see what type of metal there is and go from there really, because I think, I don't even know if it's possible, but if it is truly a 69, it should have a panel, a rail down there, correct? And 2 external hinges. So if I clean this metal away, there might be some plug welds where the external hinges were. So I'm going to get to doing that, and this intro has been 3 minutes long, which is absolutely wild. Let's get to it. So what I'm just showing you here is it has been de-seamed, but very, very badly. And I'm not sure the camera will pick it up, but look at how deep the body filler is. That's horrendous. So, possibly made a mistake there by digging into that. I didn't really want to, but it looks like I'm going to have to rebuild the full front end. The wheel arch is de-seamed from the scuttle panel. And this is not paint or Bondo, this is a flexible sealant. So whoever's done it has not done a great job. This is sealant too. And there's a few, this panel here has got rust holes in it. So I think the next step for me is get this front wing off, get the air pillar rebuilt with some nice metal, because the good metal that. There's like 6 inches here that I need to rebuild for the air panel. Then I can do the doorstep, then the scuttle panel, wheel arch, wing. But the rest of the wing's quite good metal. I don't think this is weld, I think this is solder. He's soldered, it's called a seam weld or whatever he's done, de-seamed. He's de-seamed the Mini. But this was just covered in Bondo, this thick actually. Look at the thickness of that. That's the thickness of the Bondo, it's actually crazy. So yeah, there's plenty to be on with. So I think the next time I'll be in here is Sunday. I'm going to go and collect the doors and the boot lid from the guy down south. Then I'll come back. I need to replace the alternator in my van, look after my niece, walk the dogs, come here to film the rest of the video and go pick up the doors this weekend. So it's going to be pretty busy. That's it for now though, cheers. Well, it's been 0 seconds for you guys, but it's been over a week for me. So welcome back, I don't know. So the unit is a complete mess and I've been busy with fixing the van. The van stopped charging, so I've been fixing that, and obviously, as you car guys know, car girls, it's never as simple as it seems. I changed the voltage regulator, that didn't work. I changed the battery, that didn't work. I looked at the fuses and the relays, not only cleaned them but changed some of them, tested them all, that didn't work. And then I replaced the alternator just to see if it wasn't. And then I took a deep dive into like the PCM and the grounds. I ended up moving 4 grounds because when I took the grounds off they snapped. I cleaned them up and put them back on. Went around the PCM, unplugged all the plugs in and around the PCM area, cleaned up all the needles, plugged it back in, did a BCM reset, and it worked. So that little explanation that I just told you took 3 days all in all. So that was fun. But we're not here for the van, are we? We're here for the Mini. But that's just why I've not posted a video last week. Yes, it's exactly as I left it, obviously, before the end of the last filming day. Look at it. It's that thick, I can barely even write in it. I don't like it, so I might have to clean it before I start again, but maybe it's pointless. I might do that today, I'm not quite sure. I don't even know who I'm talking to, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll check in with you in a bit. In actual fact, I've decided I'm going to start clearing up the inside of this wing, just to see if the metal's okay from the inside, because if the metal is okay in the wing, if the metal is okay in here in the wing, I'm going to replace this. Sorry, I'm going to replace this. And if it's not okay, then I'll have to replace the wing water. Let's get to it. I'm not sure if I showed you my new toy. Obviously I've got to get a lot of underseal off the car. So I got this little thing from Machine Mart. It's like a little tiny air hammer scraper. So I've used it on a few little bits and it's worked okay. So fingers crossed it's going to be less messy than burning it off or grinding it off. So let's see. Right then, so I've cleared this metal away and it seems okay to me, nice and strong. Cleaned most of the underseal off up there, and it is very messy in here. Not very nice, but I figured out what metal is what metal and what metal goes where. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to move this support brace and then move it up a little bit higher on both sides till about there. Then I'm going to chop away what I need to chop away down here, probably there-ish. You'll see it anyway. And I'm going to get the doorstep in. I'm obviously going to tidy this up and sort it out over here. But I think if the doorstep is in onto the floor pan, I can then custom make this section, the A-pillar I believe it's called. Custom make the A-pillar to then mate with the new doorstep, because the new doorstep that I'm putting on only comes to about there. And obviously it's still rotten from there to there, so I'll cut all that out, put the doorstep in, and then I'll patch all this work up as good as I can, and then do the insides. That's an excellent view of the insides, Ash, well done. I'm also thinking about getting the new DJI Action 6, because filming on this thing is extremely difficult. Because look, watch, well, you already know it's difficult because I can't film shit. So just a quick update, I got the hinges out first try. God knows how many years that's been in there, but they're out. Which now leaves me to clean this section up. I'll probably cut it somewhere up there. Yeah, I'll cut that away, then put the doorstep in, and then I'll manufacture my own panel. Yeah, I'm actually super surprised that they came out, because look at these. There is no shape to them whatsoever. So, on the back there is, look, but on the front it's just circle, came out first try. So if anybody's trying to get old seized bolts out, a bit of penetration lube first, and an impact, and pray. So, the new doorstep is just placed on to begin with. There's a few concerns straight off the bat. This obviously needs trimming, and I think it goes on the inside of the wing. I think. Obviously all that needs cutting out and making nice. But this is my main concern. I know it's not fully fit, because the lips don't fit over there and stuff properly, but that profile is completely wrong. This profile here is so much smaller than this one. I'm wondering if it's for the correct mini or not. I'll try and show you. That's as close as I can get it right now. But that is not. See, that's now butted up to this. And it's nowhere near that profile. If anybody's got any ideas in the comments, please let me know. Because it doesn't look right at all to me. And I was supposed to go... So the reason I didn't film this weekend, I was supposed to go down south to collect some doors. But the van broke and it wouldn't charge, which I've told you about. So I obviously spent the full weekend trying to fix the van. So I couldn't go get the doors. I want the doors. I originally wanted to get the doors and test fit them to its original shape now, before I do the doorstep, because if I do the doorstep and then it doesn't fit, I'm trying to, if you haven't figured out, I'm trying to gauge what year the car is via the doors, and I've got no paperwork for the car, nothing like that, no V5, and everyone's like, oh, 69, it's a Mark 1, and it's a Mark 2, and now somebody's saying it's a Mark 3, so I don't actually know the age of the car, so I'm going to pick some, I think at 89 doors, Mark 3 doors up at the weekend, this Saturday. So I might not do a doorstep. That being said, I think I'm going to leave it here for this video. We managed to, I've pressed something on the speaker if it comes on, I'm sorry. I don't even know if I filmed it, because I'm rushing. I moved this up, got it welded in, it's all sturdy. And now I'm just trying to test fit the doorstep, sorry. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I shall be posting it on Sunday night. And once again, thank you for all your subscribes and comments and all that bollocks. We're nearly at 200 now before Christmas, which is absolutely wild. And I've also set up a buy me a coffee thing. I'll leave the link in the description. You don't have to, it's just if you want to support the build or support me, you can, I think it's any amount. You could do 50p, you could do 10p, you could do no p's, just to support the build if you want. And I've got some stickers, as you've seen, so I am gonna start selling some stuff on there. You can do items and things like that. I've not even updated this, look, 167 subs there, and I think today, as I'm filming, I'm at 187 or 188. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, love reading all your comments and all that stuff. So yeah, see you next week, cheers.